Ever wonder why some investors always seem to win in the stock market while others struggle? Here's the secret. It's not luck. It's three powerful principles. Master these, and you'll know when to buy, what to buy, and just as important, when to step aside. Welcome to Stock Market Scouts, where we help you trade and invest with purpose. Let's break this down. Principle number one, make the overall market trend your foundation. The market itself is the boss. 3 out of 4 stocks move in the same direction as the overall market. That means if the indexes are falling, even the strongest companies can sync with them. The takeaway? Ride the uptrends, protect yourself in downtrends. Watch how indexes, leading sectors, and top stocks are behaving. Scale in when momentum builds, step back when weakness shows. Get this right, and you've already tilted the odds in your favor. Principle number 2, great earnings and innovation help drive the big winners. Focus on companies that are growing like crazy. We are talking about strong earnings and sales growth, usually powered by something new. New product, new service, new leadership, or even a brand new trend. Think about Apple with the iPhone, Nvidia with AI chips, Amazon with e-commerce. Big moves come from big growth. Find the companies with both financial strength and innovation, and you've found potential game changers. Principle number 3, always follow the big money. Watch what the heavy hitters are doing. Mutual funds, pension funds, hedge funds, they move billions, and their buying and selling can launch or sink a stock. How do you spot it? You take a look at the stock's chart. Price and volume action don't lie. If institutions are loading up, the stock climbs with power. If they're dumping, the charts will show cracks. Don't fight the tide. Invest and trade with it. So let's summarize this simple playbook to investing. 1. First, stay in sync with the overall market. 2. Next, zero in on earnings growth and innovation. 3. And finally, follow the big money and let the stock's chart confirm it. Keep it simple, keep it disciplined, and you'll put yourself miles ahead of the average investor. Thanks for watching Stock Market Scouts. If this lesson helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a strategy. Until next time, trade and invest with purpose.